What I always was concerned, right throughout my filmmaking, that our younger generation, our people of this country needs a right kind of education, more than a right to education. Our parents never told us that you be something on your own. They told us, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे जॉब मिलेगा. They prepared us as employee. कभी उन्होंने ने यही कहा कि तू सुभाष बन, सुभाष घई बन, तू कुछ बन. In one of my studies as educationist, I found out, to my surprise, that today MBA, passing MBA, there are 2.5 lakhs MBAs are unemployed. But through my other study, through the corporate companies, I came to know there are 3.25 vacancies are there. 3.5 vacancies and 2.5 lakhs are unemployed MBAs. I asked them, how come? They said, Mr. Ghai, these MBAs are unemployable. They have degrees. They have diplomas. They are from various colleges. But when we interviewed them, within 3 minutes, we come to know that they are going to harm my company. They cannot take further my company. This is the situation of MBAs of this country. I went to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra and I said, I want to open a school. What school? I said, film school. And I said, I would like to put all my experience, my knowledge, my intelligence, my creativity, my money, but I want to open a film school of my own. And trust me, I went to various countries, a bag in my hand and a camera and a notebook, and I visited 42 film schools of the world. And I took a note of all their curriculum, their prospectus. I met the faculty, I met the dean, plus and minus, knowing how can I create a world-class film school which can really change my generation of filmmakers. And when I came back, what I came to know, sir, it was shock to me that whole education system in America was skill-based education. And what we have been here was a memory-based education. There was a huge difference because you memorize answers. You are given 6 questions only and you are scared. You have never given a chance to the students to speak up. We never had interactive classes. We never treated our students as friends. We never asked them, did you understand? We never attended them individually. Did you get what I said to you? Or do you have any objection what I say? The students have been looking on my mustaches and my specs and my frock. And he goes back to parents, he says, yes, I have done it. And that is why these children, after graduation, whether technically or non-technically or artistically, they are unemployed. I am worried about the educated children unemployed. Why? They could be also entrepreneur because the whole education was like this. We never asked them, do you have other talent with you except the books? My teachers, I owe to my teachers who encouraged me in my graduation of commerce, more in a drama, when they came to know that I can sing, I can act, I can write a drama, I can do a play. My principal called me and says, don't worry about your attendance. You see to it that you create the best drama in the universities. You win in drama. He grew me as my teacher. I had never more than a 40% marks, and I'm standing in front of you. पास हो जाता था, फेल नहीं होता था मैं. क्या पढ़ता, 1 महीना पढ़ना पड़ता था. एक स्टूडियो से लड़के को पकड़ता था, कितने सवाल आने भैया, उतने सवाल बता दो, 12 में से 3 का तो जवाब दे दूंगा मैं. Is it our education? Education has to be from life. from their parents. First, we have to educate ourselves. We teachers, we do not understand one thing. There is a lot of difference between a knowledge, information, and intelligence, and wisdom. Knowledge is a specific knowledge of a particular job. You're a doctor, you have a knowledge of prescription. You have an engineer, you have a knowledge of structure. You're a scientist, you have a knowledge of particular. Information, you have certain information connecting to your job. You can get from the net any information. So you may be well informed. It does not mean that you're a creative or you're a genius. You just have a knowledge and you go on speaking about the whole world. Well, I have a knowledge. You look stupid because you talk about the knowledge. Knowledge comes to you. What is more important is the intelligence. Intelligence is different than the knowledge. Intelligence is an application of knowledge to your subject, to your given job. When I take a class, I just don't speak. I tell them, you speak. You tell me what is film direction. Now the 20, 40 students have to brainstorm what is film direction. Then I speak later on. हमारा क्या है कि हमने टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ी, क्लास में आए, शुरू हो गए, उसके बाद चले गए, फिर आए, फिर चले गए. How mechanical we are. Is serious note. I would request ministry, I would request all the authorities. If you really want the skill-based education, which you have been wanting it honestly, you should also know how to do it. Just giving speech is not important. How to implement it, how to really bring it as fast as possible. Have you asked your student, come here, how would you teach? खड़े होके तुम teach करो जो मैंने कल पढ़ाया था. Let them innovate, let them come with the suggestion box, let them speak. Please allow your students to speak first, max. They will come out of the fear of exam, they will come out of the aura of the teachers and the principals and the directors and the vice chancellors and so and so. Be friend to them. Treat them as friend, even the children. Understand them as your own tomorrow's nation. University and industry bring professionals into your school. Bring the professional people. Ask them to be a guest faculty in your school, in your college. What they can give to the students, students will listen to them. In our Whistling Woods, every Wednesday, there is one filmmaker and one film comes. Students see the film, filmmakers and writers, they come and they discuss the whole film whole day. And every new film. We have the best of the faculties from the Hollywood, from Bollywood, from here, from there. Best of the people. But we interact, straight master class. We don't take class. We say master class means you ask and I answer. So employ the professionals, request them, beg them, ask them to meet students, discuss with them, bring achievers to them, brings those people who inspires children. And also, to the government outside, I would say that you must subsidize all these kind of schools with the innovation program. Free. All film schools in the world, all schools in the film school in the world are subsidized by the government. Government of India has subsidized 2 film schools, Satyendra in Calcutta and Pune Film Institute. Third is mine. After 100 years of Indian cinema, I'm the first filmmaker who did that, and who brought this institute on a different scale, on a different education level. And you all know it is under still litigation. It is questioned. It is questioned by the government itself. कि आपको ये जगह किसने दी? हमने बोला साहब आपने दी. अच्छा वो पीछे वाले ने दी होगी. तो गलत हो गई ये तो. सर वो पिछले ऑफिसर ने दिया था. वो ऑफिसर ने बेवकूफ था, कागज नहीं बनाया उसने. मैंने साहब ये तो वर्ल्ड क्लास इंस्टीट्यूट बन गया अभी. मैंने तो 100 करोड़ रुपया खर्चा कर दिया. वो तो ठीक है ना, कागज तो बनना चाहिए ना. बहुत बड़ी बात है. This is a vision. This is a vision. We have to develop our vision first. We have to look after the things.